Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is to talk about a blocker that has now been removed. If you're a gamer, you might be happy if you wanted to move to 24H2. So if you had Ubisoft games like Assassin's Creed or Star Wars, a lot of games from Ubisoft actually were crashing in 24H2 or had all sorts of freezes and problems. So Microsoft decided at some point to put a blocker on anyone that has these games. So today Microsoft announced that the blocker is removed, but there is one thing you need to do. If you have these games installed, make sure that you go and download the latest patch, the latest versions of your Ubisoft games, because that's what fixes the issues in 24H2. So the games themselves, the update that Ubisoft pushed is fixing any freezes, any problems in 24H2. Once that is done, if you do wish to go to 24H2 and just go to your Windows updates, and things are that it should probably, if you check for updates, will probably show up. And it's going to show you that now 24H2 is available to you. If it isn't immediately, try in the next few days. Sometimes the blockers and the way that things happen with Windows updates takes a little time for the version to appear. But at some point, you will see that 24H2 will be offered to you as it was before. So, another blocker is removed. So slowly they are dealing with all the little things that were blocking Windows. Most of them have to do with, third-party companies that have to fix several things. Thing is, it's sad that it's not seen before so that they could advise those companies that, it's like the games, for example. It would have been easy to just, see if the games have issues, tell Ubisoft before 24H2 was released. This has always been the problem with, Microsoft detecting problems, communicating, and so on. And it's sad because often it's already been detected in the feedback hub, but, it's Microsoft for you. So any gamers with Ubisoft games that wanted to move on, you will probably be able to move on within the next few days. But don't forget to update your games before you actually check for 24H2. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.